Hi guys, it's Sophie from Just Fabrics, and today we're going to show you how to make a lampshade using one of our lampshade kits. They come in 3 different sizes, 20 centimeters, 30 centimeters and 40 centimeters, and you can make it either for a lamp base, which is what we've chosen to make today, or you can have it for fitting on a pendant light from a ceiling. For this make you will need your lampshade kit, some scissors, a tape measure, some tailor's chalk or a pencil and your chosen fabric. We've chosen Clara in the South Pacific colourway. So unpack everything in the lampshade kit box. It does come with instructions as well if you need any extra help when you're making. So the first thing you need to do is measure out your covering piece. This size will be on the front of the box and also in the instructions. For the 30 centimetre lampshade kit, we're cutting out a piece that will be 97 centimetres by 25.5 centimetres. Once you've got your panel cut out, turn it round so that you've got the wrong side facing upwards. We then need to take the sticky panel and lay it flat in the middle of the fabric, and you can use something heavy on either end. I'm going to use an iron just to keep it in place. When you're happy with the placement of the fabric, use one side and peel away the plastic so that you've got the sticky side, and you can start sticking this to the fabric. You can now work along the rest of the panel, making sure that the sticky panel is stuck firmly to the fabric. Now that you've got the panel stuck down completely, smooth around and make sure there's no creases anywhere. Once you've done this, what we're going to do is just trim away any of the excess fabric on the edges. Once you've trimmed the edges, you need to use the little scores on either long side of the panel, and these will just snap slightly and you're going to fold over the edges. Once you've folded it one way, it should be easier to fold it back the other way, and you'll see the plastic snap slightly to reveal the fabric. Once you've snapped the plastic away, you should be able to peel away the borders. Once you've peeled away the outer sections, you need to take some of your double-sided sticky tape and apply it to one end, and this will be used to stick the seam together. Once you've put your sticky tape on this side, you need to remove the release paper so that it's ready to attach. You can now set aside the panel because we're going to be working on the rings. This is important for whether you've chosen to do a table lamp or a pendant lamp. So for example, this is the top of our pattern and that's the bottom. And we're making a table lamp, so we want to make sure that the raised piece of the disc is going to be hidden inside the lamp once it's on the stand. So we want to make sure that the protruding piece is facing inwards towards the panel once we attach it. But first, we need to put double-sided sticky tape around both of the rings. Once you've fed the tape all the way around, you want to squeeze it against the ring so that it's going to attach really smoothly. And then once we've done this, we'll peel off the backing plastic and it'll be sticky, ready to attach to the fabric. Once you've got both of your rings ready, you can remove the weight from one end of your panel, and you want to line up the edge of the panel, so the white piece, with one of the rings. And you want to do the same with the other side. Once you have the rings in place, you can then roll them along the edge of the panel, making sure you keep as close to the white piece as possible. And the sticky back plastic will pick up the fabric as you move along. So when you get to the end, you want to take your extra piece and overlap it so that you have the sticky tape to join the seams. You can then fold over the raw edge and stick the 2 seams together to get a nice clean finish. Once you've stuck the seam down, what you need to do is go around the bottom of the lampshade where you've got your struts, and you need to snip a thin line so that we can turn over the edge nice and neatly. This is now when you'll need this tool, which comes in the lampshade kit, and we're going to fold over all the raw edges to make a nice neat finish. And there you have your finished lampshade. Thanks for watching our make today. We hope you enjoyed it, and you can find the lampshade kits on our website or in our showrooms, and all the fabrics are also on the website, as well as lots more how-tos which can also be found on all of our social media.